Hi friends, welcome back to A to Z English words. A for ash. English meaning powdery remains of anything burnt down. Tamil meaning sambal. B for bloat. English meaning swell. Tamil meaning வீங்கு. C for cottage. English meaning a small dwelling house. Tamil meaning குடிசை. D for dispatch. English meaning send off. Tamil meaning அனுப்பு. E for expiry. English meaning end. Tamil meaning முடிவு. F for fury. English meaning great anger. Tamil meaning பெருங்கோபம். G for garbage. English meaning rubbish. Tamil meaning குப்பை. H for heighten. English meaning raise. Tamil meaning உயர்த்து. I for immaterial. English meaning unimportant. Tamil meaning அற்பமான. J for jest. English meaning making fun. Tamil meaning கேலி செய். K for knuckle. English meaning finger joint. Tamil meaning விரல் மூட்டு. L for ladle. English meaning a large deep spoon. Tamil meaning பெரிய குழிவுள்ள கரண்டி. M for monthly. English meaning occurring every month. Tamil meaning மாதாந்திர. N for niece. English meaning a daughter of one's brother or sister. Tamil meaning சகோதரன் அல்லது சகோதரியின் மகள். O for outcome. English meaning result. Tamil meaning பலன். P for push. English meaning press against. Tamil meaning தள்ளு. Q for quaff. English meaning drink in one gulp. Tamil meaning ஒரே விழுங்கில் குடி. R for rug. English meaning a thick woolen blanket. Tamil meaning கம்பளி. S for stray. English meaning wander away from the right path. Tamil meaning வழி தவறி போன. T for tactics. English meaning strategy. Tamil meaning தந்திரம். U for unnecessary. English meaning needless. Tamil meaning அவசியமில்லாத. V for viscous. English meaning sticky. Tamil meaning பிசுபிசுப்பான. W for wonder. English meaning surprise. Tamil meaning ஆச்சரியம். X for exalt. English meaning price highly. Tamil meaning மேன்மைப்படுத்து. Y for pygmy. English meaning a very small person or thing. Tamil meaning மிகவும் குள்ளமான ஆள் அல்லது பொருள். Z for puzzle. English meaning riddle. Tamil meaning விடுகதை.